The case is filed. You answer the judge. Do not shit with me. Ano ninyo, you can go back in time and ask people. Pagka kinausap mo ako, as I said, di ba, presidente ako, kung may maglapit sa inyo, anak ko, o yung mga relatives ko, consider anuman ang hiningi, denied. Kaya kayong mga opisyal, putang ina, hindi ko nasabihin sa inyo ulit. Deny. Natural man lang yan, magkapikiusap ko. Yung legal. But still, it would not look nice. And always, suspect talaga yan na money talk. So, they go to your son, they go to your daughter. Kaya sabi ko na, when